Good morning. I'm Metloop meteorologist Dale Hirschlog with your weather update for this Saturday morning, January 14th. We do have high pressure holding on across most of the southeastern portions of the United States. Plenty of sunshine there expected for this afternoon. Otherwise, the main focus is an area of low pressure off the western coast of California and Baja Peninsula. That'll eject across the desert southwest into West Texas as we head through the daytime hours today and into the overnight hours tonight. That'll be a focus for some severe thunderstorms as we head into the daytime hours on Monday. So that'll be a focus we'll be watching over the next 24 hours. The biggest event that we're watching right now is an ice storm that has been underway for the last 12 hours or so. There is a frontal system that's draped from the southern portions of the mid-Atlantic region that extends westward across the southern plains and up towards the front range of the Rockies. That is the focus between warm, moist air to the south of the front and very cold air to the north. And it's some overrunning of that moisture across the front, falling in the form of rain on top of a cold surface that's leading to some significant accumulations of ice from, say, the Texas Panhandle across portions of central and northern Oklahoma, and then eventually out into the western portions of the Ohio Valley as well. We are also seeing some heavy rain with that frontal system across southern portions of Missouri and into the very southern portions of Illinois and Indiana as well. That should be the trend as we head through the next several hours into the early afternoon portions of the day. This boundary continues to push northward into the state of Kansas and into central Missouri, and I think with a more northerly push through the daytime hours, we are going to see more in the way of freezing rain, and that's going to be quite a widespread event, especially across the state of Kansas and northern and central Missouri, even back towards the central and northern portions of Illinois as well. This area we could be looking at as possibly as much as 1 inch of freezing rain accumulation. That's going to be through the overnight hours tonight, so this is a significant event. Anytime you're looking at a ½ inch to 1 inch of ice, you do have to worry about a lot of widespread power outages and tree limbs coming down because of the weight of that ice. So we are going to be watching this over the next couple of hours to see where exactly that front does set up, because that will mean the difference between just a cold, chilly rain and a significant accumulation of ice. So just a little closer view of what we have going on right now. Indianapolis looks like you're on the verge of a rain-snow mix. That looks like there's some ice developing towards your east and also back towards your west. The front should lift through the city of Indianapolis as we head through the early afternoon hours, so we'll go ahead and call it mostly rain for the afternoon and evening. Otherwise, we'll look for that icing to continue through the state of Illinois and back towards Missouri and Kansas as we head through the afternoon and evening hours as well. And to look a little bit further south, we do see plenty of clouds and some isolated rain showers across the state of Texas. We are seeing those rain showers continuing across southeastern portions of Oklahoma, with the icing generally along and north of an Oklahoma City to Amarillo line. And that'll continue through the evening hours. And again, and in this area, especially across portions of northeastern Oklahoma and very southwestern portions of Missouri, we are going to be seeing icing on the order of about a ½ inch to maybe 3/4 of an inch there. If you look off towards the southeast, we have high pressure sitting there, so plenty of sunshine to go around for most locations from Florida back towards Alabama and Georgia for the daytime hours today. So just a quick look back towards the desert southwest into West Texas. As I mentioned earlier, there is that area of low pressure that's developing off the west coast of California and Baja Peninsula. That'll quickly move across northern Mexico and eventually into West Texas for the daytime hours tomorrow. And this is what the radar could look like as we head into the afternoon hours tomorrow. We could be looking at strong to severe thunderstorms extending from eastern New Mexico and across the Texas Panhandle and southward from there towards the Rio Grande. If we do get enough instability into the area, we could be looking at large hail in excess of 2 inches in diameter, as well as some strong gusty winds. We aren't seeing enough rotation with this system to cause any concern for any widespread tornadic activity, but nevertheless, any thunderstorm can produce a tornado with little notice, so we will keep an eye out on that. Otherwise, we'll continue to watch these thunderstorms progress towards the east-northeast as we head through the evening and overnight hours on Sunday night and into the daytime hours on Monday. And for Monday, especially early in the day, we could be looking at some impacts from thunderstorms on the Dallas-Fort Worth metro. So again, we'll watch the evolution as this takes place over the next 24 hours, and we'll keep you advised. And that's your weather update. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.